Hi, welcome to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Brandy Alexander. So Brandy Alexander is brandy, creme de cacao, and cream. Very simple 3-ingredient cocktail, and until very recently I didn't actually know that it was based on an Alexander, which is another cocktail, and the only difference being gin. I was kind of perplexed with this because gin, creme de cacao, and cream sounds bizarre to me, which is probably maybe the reason why everyone knows the Brandy Alexander more so to this day. I'm pretty keen to try the gin one just to see how it goes, but you know, gin botanicals and cream sounds like a super odd mix. Anyways, this is a local brandy from 23rd Street Distillery in South Australia. I'm going to measure out 1.5 ounces or 45 ml. And it's a shaken cocktail. If you prefer, you can probably go a little bit stronger and go 2 ounces or 60 ml of your brandy or cognac. And then this is the DIY brown creme de cacao. I'll link to that up there so you can learn out how to make it. Extremely simple, just need a little bit of patience. And I'll add 1 ounce, 30 ml. And likewise for the cream, so I've already got that pre-measured, 1 ounce or 30 ml. So fill the Boston glass with ice and give it a good shake for 12 seconds. So if you're like me and you love the simplicity of 3-ingredient cocktails, I'll link up to the playlist here for really super easy cocktails to make. So give it a quick shake. Then strain it into your chilled cocktail glass. Today I'm going to use a Nick and Nora. So this is one of the more common styles of Hawthorn strainers, so it doesn't have a tight coil, so there are some ice shards coming through. So if you are using this type of Hawthorn strainer, then you can double strain it. And for garnish, some freshly grated nutmeg. And there you have a Brandy Alexander. Cheers. One thing I do love about creamy cocktails is having freshly grated nutmeg over the top. The aromatics are pungent, strong, but it's like kind of like a promise of what's to come though with the cocktail. Oh. Man, I haven't had one of these in so long. Really rich, chocolatey, and this DIY creme de cacao works perfectly. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.